What's up, you guys? It's your boy Calieri. Aquí nomás andamos. It's a beautiful, lovely day. Or should I say nighttime. Vamos a andar aquí con la mamalona. Le voy a cambiar el pinche steering wheel. Make that shit look pinche racing. Ha, tú sabes, pero yeah, let's get to it. I'm just gonna I'm in chanclas right now. Fucking start doing this shit. Alright, so this is the steering wheel I currently have right here. The only thing I'm gonna show you guys is the clips back here. There's one. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's one there, and on the right side también hay otro. You see how it's like that? Yeah, so I'm just gonna fucking get a, ¿cómo se llama? Just a flathead y vamos a sacarlo. Ahí está el steering wheel, and aquí está la mamalona. You know, let's get to it. Next thing you want to do is disconnect the negative. Ahí está, locos. We got it done. Shee. Ahora sí, that shit looks badass, bro. Ya está. Pinche mamalona. We just need some rims now. It's just clean.